PTSD, turn.
Hey, yo, listen up, man. Y'all need to stop playing with us, you heard? Play no fucking game, and y'all call me service. Alright? Everybody pay taxes for y'all, so treat us like a fucking human being. We your boss. You got the game. Yeah, you hear me? We are your boss. Every time you see us, treat us like gods. You stupid mother.
That's what I'm talking about, gang.
I'm playing with me, huh?
Así mismo, pan.
Ya usted, ya, bro. Fuck out of here.
The prosecution dirty, the lawyers is corrupt. Police getting away with it, then Eli interrupts. So why you think I'm getting loud with it? I grew up getting locked up, and I'm not gonna ride with it.
The people's guys here. Subscribe to his service. We gotta get them subscriptions up. Get them subscriptions. Get them vibes up.
I've been to jail 50 times, and 50 times I done do. Out of those 50 times, they gave me 50 deals of book. And after all this happened, yeah, you see me, I'm fine. I had to start from zero more than 50 times.
Let me see that shit, man.
I'm from LA, fool. I'm from LA. Search that shit. Ah, no
right
shit.
Right there, the first one. Subscribe to my.
Subscribe though. Subscribe.
We got you.
Let me see. Subscribe right there. Subscribe to my shit.
Already done.
I don't fuck with dirty cops. You heard?
I'm not doing nothing wrong, they are doing it to me. Intimidation tactics, taking my time away. No, they don't want me free. Not at all, they had to let me go. As you can see, I'll go to jail, but I'm not getting on my knees. They had to let me go. Again, I'm free. And I'll do it again any day of the week. They had to let me go. Don't take it as a revenge and stop sending me to the pen. I'm only speaking the truth and I'm gonna do it again. Some of them think I'm a hard hit, some of them.
Yo, what's going on, my face? How you doing today? Let's hope everybody's safe and sound, healthy about every single thing in life, my face. We're about to start trial. It's about to be 2 p.m. Court trial starts at 2. Hopefully, we'll get this out the way for the key incident, talking about obstruction, petty larceny, theft. Keep in mind that the first offer was a year and some change in jail. The second one was a year. The third one was 6 months in jail. The fourth one was a violation, a $120 fine. The fifth one was $90 fine. So nothing. We're going to trial today. So they've been rescheduling for about 2 years and some change, my babes. Hopefully, today we'll get this out the way. You heard? Now I'm gonna let you know what happens when we come out. Don't forget to pull up to
ZZ TV.
You heard?
A lot of them won't understand. First-hand witness of their behavior and abusive force, hiding behind the badge and the gun, of course. They're trying to get rid of me, but it's gonna be hard now, cause I'ma stay alert. So go and get the cream, we know that booty hurt.
Hey, yo, my peeps!
FR don't believe, so hard to believe.
Guess what?
Now I'm doubling down.
Huh?
No more struggling, now I'm traveling, hunting all these clowns.
Told you I wasn't playing. Guess what, my peeps?
I forget, but I never forget.
Dismiss!
I don't wanna hear another threat. No more struggling, now I'm traveling, hunting all these clowns. Not guilty was the verdict, they had to let me go. Another innocent man is walking out the door. Not guilty was the verdict, they had to let me go. Another innocent man is walking out the door.
Get my boy over here. Dismiss! Done deal, my peeps, you heard? All cases, all charges, dismissed. Welcome to America, you heard? Make sure you hit the like button, comment down below. We took it all the way to the end. You heard my peeps? We ain't playing around. You dirty ass white PD, just locking people up for nothing, my peeps. If they feel like it, you heard? Where my phone at? Give me a second. Hello, Mr. Lawyer. Get the paperwork ready for the lawsuit. We won the case. You heard? I'm gonna call you later. Okay, my babes. I love you all. See you on the next one. We still got White Plains Bandit. You heard?
I don't want to see you no more.
You don't want to see me again?
Cut me loose, I just won the case, they didn't have no foundation. Walking out the court, prosecutor said congratulations. Had to let me go cause I had nothing to do with it. Ready for the next round, come and get it. Now I'm that enemy you don't want me to be. Never letting it go, so be afraid of me. Cause I'm calling my boys to come and scoop me up. Cause I just won the case, y'all niggas need to hurry up. So come and get me now, before it happens to you too. My services are for the people, and I'm gonna put it on YouTube worldwide. Cause I'm not doing nothing wrong, they are doing it to me. Intimidation tactics.
PTSD, turn.
Hey, yo, listen up, man. Y'all need to stop playing with us, you heard? You ain't no fucking dick, and y'all public service. Alright? Everybody pay taxes for y'all, so treat us like a fucking human being. We your boss. You lost the game. You hear me? We are your boss. Every time you see us, treat us like God. You stupid mother.
That's what I'm talking about, gang.
I'm playing with me, yo.
I see me, my friend.
Y'all bro. Fuck out of here.
The prosecution dirty, the lawyers is corrupt. Police getting away with it, then Eli interrupts. So why you think I'm getting loud with it? I grew up getting locked up, and I'm not gonna ride with it.
The people's guys here. Subscribe to his service. Work. We gotta get them subscriptions up. Get them subscriptions. Get them vibes up.
I've been to jail 50 times, and 50 times I done do. Out of those 50 times, they gave me 50 deals of book. And after all this happened, yeah, you see me, I'm fine. I had to start from zero more than 50 times.
Let me see that shit, man.
I'm from LA, fool. I'm from LA. Search that shit. Ah, no
right
shit.
Right there, the first one. Subscribe to my.
Subscribe though. Subscribe.
We got you.
Let me see. Subscribe right there. Subscribe to my shit.
Already done. Oh.
I don't fuck with dirty cops. You heard?